In a cynical and, quite frankly, despicable effort to protect the interests of the fossil fuel industry and oil exploration companies, Fine Gael and their Independent Alliance colleagues are abandoning their promises in the programme for government to take, I quote, radical and ambitious action to deal with climate change and to be world leaders. And simultaneously sabotaging the democratic process of this Dáil in order to prevent Breed Smith's Climate Emergency Measures Bill progressing through the Dáil, even though it was passed overwhelmingly by this House. A bill which seeks to ban further issuing of exploration licences for gas and oil exploration in the country. Now, Ceann Comhairle, this is an abandonment of their so-called commitment to deal with climate change, but it is an abuse, a very serious abuse of the democratic processes of this Dáil. No.
That's available on these matters, and I'm afraid.
Well, when Michael Lowry, Michael McDougall, Hildegard Naughton, Sean Canny, Joe O'Reilly, many of them senators, are used to block a bill and hold hostage a bill which was passed by this House to prevent it from progressing further through the House. That is an abuse of the democratic process. And we learned yesterday. We learned. No, I won't. We learned yesterday.
Sorry.
We weren't.
Sorry, Deputy.
We learned yesterday, Ceann Comhairle.
Sorry, no.
That this was being done for political reasons because the Taoiseach and the government do not agree with the contents of the bill, and they are using and abusing procedure to hold hostage a bill. It's an absolute disgrace, and you have to be called out for it. You think you can get away with this by shenanigans?
You are bringing the House. You're bringing the House into disrepute. You're bringing the House. The House is suspended for 5 minutes.